Hi, today I'm ready for Motorola Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So just to install iPhone application, we should open the Play Store app and enter in the search pool green apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now let's open the app, click enable in settings and near green apple keyboard we should tap on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green apple keyboard. Now we can see that process is finished and let's go to the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.